how to sell USDT on Bitget. So if you want to sell USDT on Bitget, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Bitget. After opening your Bitget, now you need to just go with the profile which is on the top left. And from here, you need to just scroll down, go with more services. And under the more services page, you need to tap on sell option. So as you can see here, you will find sell. You need to tap on it. And then go with I read and agreed to the above content, and then go with confirm. Now here you will have buy and sell options, right? So you need to go with sell. Once you're on your sell, you will have these kind of interface. So over here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different merchants to whom you can sell your USDT. But you need to make sure that you select the merchant that has the badge right next to their profile. If they have the badge, it simply means that they are a verified merchant on Bitget. Now, in order to sell, what you have to do is tap on the sell button right next to their profile. And after that, you just have to enter the amount that you would like to sell. Then you need to select your payment method. And after selecting it, you just have to tap on sell USDT option. And in this way, you'll be able to easily sell your USDT on Bitget. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.